Since the inception of the NHS, people have traditionally seen their GP as the first port of call for any illness that they might have had. Now, over the last 5 to 10 years, there's been a huge amount of progress in medical technologies and treatments, but also there's been a huge amount of progress in workforce development. Other professions within the NHS that have traditionally been allied professionals have increased their training and ability to see and diagnose patients in the same way as GPs could. What that's done is increase the number of people that patients have available to them. So for example, in the past, if you had back pain, there would only be a GP to see. Whereas now, if you have back pain, you can see a physiotherapist. If you're struggling with the painkillers, you can see a pharmacist. If you're struggling with an acute problem that just needs to be seen that day and it can't wait to see a GP, there are physicians associates and advanced nurse practitioners. They are often given a little bit more time to see their patients, so they can go over things that the GP often doesn't have time to do. They're also more available. Patients can see them a little bit sooner, rather than this sort of sometimes 2 or even 3 week wait to see their GP. Because they are a lot more specialised, they can often do a lot more for the patient without needing a referral on to somewhere else. So if a patient came in to see me to say, and said, for example, I wanted to see my GP, not this other person who might be a pharmacist or a physiotherapist, what I'd say to them is, don't be anxious. Actually, what you came in for was to see a professional who's capable, trained, and has expertise in the field that you are interested in. And for many, many years, only a general practitioner has had those skills, whereas that's changed. Many professionals now, many clinicians in other fields now are trained to the level of a general practitioner in their field of expertise, so you are going to get exactly the same service, sometimes better, sometimes more specialised and more specific to your needs from all of these other people.